Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to create URL field type in Salesforce. We are going to discuss this topic in both the edition in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So before we will proceed to learn how to create it, we first discuss what is URL field type in Salesforce. URL field type in Salesforce is defined as a field type that allows the user to enter the valid website address. When the user click on the field and the URL will be open in a new browser window. Basically, the URL field type is used to store the user's website address and other personal URL links. This URL field in Salesforce permits the user to enter the valid URL link. After entering this valid URL link, the user click on the URL field and the enter URL field will be open in a separate browser. So let's move ahead and discuss how to create URL field in Salesforce Lightning. So this is my Salesforce Lightning org, and here we are creating the URL field type in Salesforce. So firstly we click on the gear icon. This is my gear icon, and under this gear icon there are two options. First one is setup and the another one is service setup. Click on the setup option. After clicking on the setup option, the setup page is open, and under the setup page there are Object Manager tab that is present on the nav bar. Click on this Object Manager tab. After clicking on the Object Manager tab, the Object Manager page is open, and here we can see the lots of objects are present. Here we want to choose the case object. For choosing the case object, enter the case in the search box, and the case object comes at the top. Click on this case object. After clicking on the case object page is open. Under this case object page there is a detail section, and under this detail section there is a field and relationship option. Click on this field and relationship option. After clicking on the field and relationship option, the field and relationship page is open. For creating the field type, click on the new button. After clicking on the new button, the data type page is open. There are a lot of data type present on this page. So scroll to the bottom of the page, and here we are selecting the URL data type and click on the next button. After clicking on the next button, the case new custom field page is open. Now enter the detail related to the custom field. So firstly fill the field label, and here we are filling the field label as website documentation, and then fill the field name which is automatically filled. And after that, if you want to fill the description, then you enter the description. Otherwise leave it as it is and then click on the next button. After entering the detail, now establish the field level security. Now select the profiles of which we want to grant added access to this field via field level security. Click on the visible checkbox. After clicking on the visible checkbox, click on the next button. After establishing the field level security, now add the custom field to the page layout. Select the page layout that should include this field. This field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of this page layout. The field will not appear on any pages if we do not select a layout, and then click on the save button. After clicking on the save button, we can see that the website documentation with URL field type is created successfully. Now move forward and discuss how to create URL field type in Salesforce Classic. For creating the URL field type in Salesforce Classic, we first switch to the Salesforce Classic version. For this, click on the profile picture, and under this profile picture there is an option switch to Salesforce Classic. Click on this option. After clicking on the switch to Salesforce Classic option, we move to our Salesforce Classic version, and here we are creating the URL field type. For this, firstly click on the user drop down arrow, and under this user name drop down arrow there is a setup option. Click on the setup option. After clicking on the setup option, the setup page is open. Now enter the leads in the quick find box. The leads object is present under the app setup and customize option, and under this lead object there is a field option. Click on this field option. After clicking on the field option, the lead fields page is open. Now scroll to the bottom of this page and we can see that there is a lead custom field and relationship section is present. For creating the new field, click on the new button. After clicking on the new button, the data type page is open. There are lots of data type is present. Now scroll to the bottom of this data type page and we are selecting the URL data type and then click on the next button. After clicking on the next button, the lead new custom field page is open. Now enter the details. First fill the field label, and here we are filling the field label as Salesforce link, and then fill the field name which is automatically filled. After that, fill the description if you want to fill, otherwise leave it as it is and click on the next button. After entering the detail, now establish the field level security. Now select the profile to which we want to grant edit access to this field via field level security. The field will be hidden from all the profile if we do not add to it field level security, but we want all the profile to see, so click on the checkbox of visible and then click on the next button. After establishing the field level security, now add the custom field to the page layout. Select the page layout that should be included this field. This field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of this page layout and click on the save button. After clicking on the save button, we can see that our Salesforce link with the URL data type is created successfully. So with this, we have learned how to create URL field type in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.